Today we're going to be installing this Bugbane Disposable fly trap bag. I've been using these for a couple of years now and I've been really impressed with how well they've performed over other brands. You want to make sure you change this every 30 days or when the bag actually fills up, and I've had a couple of times where the flies have just basically filled this bag up before the 30 days. So I typically change them around about 25 days. If you leave it a little bit longer, that does start to smell and you don't want that in your yard. The dogs use the lawn as their bathroom, so that attracts a lot of flies. But since we've been using these, the flies have been going to these instead of going on to what the dogs have left behind and into the house or around where we're hanging out. So let's take down the old fly trap, see what's in there, and then let's replace it with this new one. We're going to remove this full Bugbane bag. This has been up for about 25 days and they say that they last for 30 days, but I just like to replace them a little bit before that because I have found that they do start to smell after a little bit. This has caught a lot of flies in there and there's still some that are alive. So I'm going to take it down and replace it with a new one. Setting up the fly trap is super simple. All you need to do is get a blade or a pair of scissors and cut a circle around here following the dotted line. So cut around, tracing the dashed line. Now you're going to pull this top bit through. When you pull the top bit through, you can see that the plastic you cut out is sealing against this bottom bit of the plastic here, meaning the flies can't get back out once they go in. Now you've got the top of the bag cut out, you just need to fill with water up to this line here. There is a packet of contents in here, you want to make sure that that falls to the bottom. This will dissolve in 1 to 3 days and then you'll start catching flies. Installing is the complete opposite, just hook it back around. And you've got to make sure that this is 20 to 30 feet away from your house. It'll keep flies away from your house. This way, if you put it too close, you might attract flies closer to the house and end up with more flies inside. So we'll just tie that around and then we can leave that and it'll catch some flies.